Hello students, as you know we are solving exercise 12.3. So today we are going to solve question number 3 part 1, which says using formula express the following as a product of two expressions. Okay, so something is given to you, you have to convert this and express it as the product of two things. Okay, so let us first write the expression 25L square minus 16M square. Okay, this thing can be written as 5 into L whole square, right? The square of this will give you 25L square back, since 5 square is 25 and L square is this, minus 16M square can be written as 4 into M whole square, right? 4 square gives you 16 and then M square. Okay, now if you consider this 5L to be A and this 4M to be B, so therefore this is A square minus B square, the formula of which is A plus B into A minus B. So I am using the formula A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. And if we use this formula, we can write it as 5L plus 4M into 5L minus 4M. Right? Now you can see this is the product of two things, 5L plus 4M and 5L minus 4M. So therefore this is the answer. So therefore the answer is 5L plus 4M into 5L minus 4M. Remember, you are not supposed to take the multiplication any further, because if you multiply them once again, you will simply get the given question back. So therefore, you have to leave the solution up to this only. Now let us look at the next question, 2a plus b whole square minus a plus b whole square. So this is 2a plus b whole square minus a plus b whole square. Let a is equal to 2a plus b. Remember that I am using a different variable here to represent this 2a plus b as capital A, or you can use something else also, but do not use this a or b because those are already given here. You can use any other variable which is not given in the question. So therefore I am considering this to be capital A and this thing to be capital B. Okay, so therefore the given expression turns out to be a square minus b square, capital A square minus capital B square. Using formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, we can write this thing as a plus b into a minus b, right? Now what is our capital A? Capital A is 2a plus b, so put it there. What is capital B? Capital B is a plus b, so write it. Again for this one, in place of a write 2a plus b, and in place of b write a plus b, but remember there is a minus sign here, so minus will change the sign inside, so that will give you a minus b, right? So here write putting a and b. Now this thing will give you how much? 2a plus a gives you 3a, b plus b gives you 2b, 2a minus a gives you plus a, plus b minus b will give you 0. So therefore you are getting a into 3a plus 2b. Now again you can see this is product of two things, a and 3a plus b. So therefore this is the answer. Therefore the answer is a into 3a plus 2b. Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. That's all for this video. Thank you.